Hey guys, John here with Kraus. Today we'll be installing a vessel faucet. For this video, we'll be using an Esta model, but you can use these instructions for any type of vessel faucet. These faucets are typically paired with a vessel sink for a clean and coordinated look. Solid brass construction with top-of-the-line components ensure a lifetime of leak-free performance. This model also includes a pop-up drain with the same finish. Check out our website for the installation video on how to install this pop-up drain. Let's get started. For this installation, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a crescent wrench, Teflon pipe tape, and safety goggles, just in case. The first step is to shut off your hot and cold water supply. Once you've done that, turn on your faucet to relieve any remaining pressure in your water lines. Using a crescent wrench, loosen the nuts on the water lines. Once you've loosened them up, spin them free. It's helpful to have a bowl or a bucket beneath these lines to catch any water that pours out. Once you've removed your old faucet, it's time to install the new one. Before you do so, make sure the plastic washer is in place. Carefully thread the water lines through the hole in your countertop and into position. As you move on to the next step, it would be helpful to have a partner hold on to the faucet. Next, take your mounting nut and back out these screws so they're flush with the face of the mounting nut. Pair this with the washer and thread your water lines through both. Carefully move both up the water lines to the shank of the faucet and thread the mounting nut on. Tighten the mounting nut until it's snug. Make sure one of these screws is facing forward. Using a screwdriver, tighten both screws until they're snug. Next, install your new water lines. To begin, use a layer of Teflon tape on the threads of the shutoff valves, as we've done here. It's best if you apply in a clockwise direction. Once you've done that, install your water lines. Blue is cold, which typically corresponds with the right shutoff valve. Red is hot, which typically is the left shutoff valve. Once you've tightened these by hand, use a crescent wrench to tighten them snug. With your water lines installed, turn on your hot and cold water supply, then check for leaks. Just a quick note about Kraus water lines. All Kraus faucets come with pre-attached water lines, saving you time and money. Additionally, these water lines are made from braided nylon, which is far more resistant to corrosion than steel. Lastly, these water lines come with pre-installed dome washers, which filter out debris from your water, keeping your faucet flowing smoothly. The last step is to remove the aerator of the faucet and flush the faucet. To remove the aerator, we'll be using this key found in the packaging for the faucet. Remove the aerator by spinning the aerator counterclockwise until it falls out, and then flush the faucet for 30 seconds. To reinstall the aerator, carefully thread it back into the faucet and use the key to tighten it until snug. That's it. It's that easy. Esta faucets come with a water-saving aerator that uses 20% less water than the industry standard, helping you conserve water in your home. They're available in a stainless steel spot-free finish that's easy to clean, in addition to other finishes that will guaranteed match your bathroom. Lastly, if you run into any troubles, don't hesitate to reach out to Kraus customer service, either by phone or at kraususa.com. Thanks for watching.